Enti this year one general prophet wabek chire semu kakra on say ono and the prophet Badu Kobi eko PM ya sabra ebra eba say Badu Kobi atwa ahwe wa collapse no ono de ko PM hospital na wabek chire na mafo bisa na Badu Kobi kwa busu afọ wa henefa ana omu a ogina na oche obu cast no omu hefa asofo akuku da ma no me na afofo no omu wa hene a ene ato no yare mpaso na say obia nani ama no this year general prophet wabek chire semu de abusuafo eka the radofo eka and the assembly city no general abekasa medwudwamu amwate ase ahai Penyah block best say dey mu obebo subscribe button so na be turn the notification icon on for latest update now obeshare ma nua so enya bia hwe no can for NG Limited and the amount omo ye all kinds of plumbing works swimming pool construction yemetu swimming pool enfama wa omo ye yemetu ensu enfama omo eye solar panel installation omo eye bi ye install solar panel ema e dan so hotel shop baby a ombeya ma ana power plant installation on say doom say person obo power plant a e wo dwume watena no baby a oba be e de ama anything concerning engineering bia de contact NG Limited obu number de guase no from obo no board for Ghana ha baby a no obeba abe odwuma e de ama kama na aso now let's go to the obusia anopanimu ana brother ka tell say prophet Badu Kobi that's your friend Glorious Wave Chapel International GWCI anono what trash am I ko piemu ewa ayaresabia.
Good evening, Ghana. This is your prophet, Seer General. You try Papa Prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi. And that way, and when your friend say, Papa sorry, I'm Papa. Okay, if you need a man to trash it, we should be in the bar hospital. Near about more trust, Papa BP, a costro, a traso, a bro, so grandma. Untimina, Papa conditional, and my dead. Now, you're trying to for NDC for President John Dramani Mahama and all the NDC and Penny for the MPs, Seer Julius Deborah. So, this is one of the prophets. The guy say, "What Jenemo Aquamamo, the Kai in Comshim Empire, Bo Aquanchim." This is the time the man issue. And make a crazy who the Papa cool. Papa has been through a lot in ministry in a Kikahon, mind tumor, I've been journey, I'm under pressure. A coastal coffee fire, we can't get become one. You are watching about that emergency ward, doctors, so. It was a video here for the men this in Penyah. So, prophet, the nation prophet or the original nation prophet, Prophet Dr. Badu Kobi, Papa Mufano. So, we are calling upon all the NDC officials to come to the aid of our Papa and then help him and then let him gain back his strength. Now, we're Timothy Jumaso. Na watima bompaya bo NDC manyuko no na bo ma de mu yebia akoyenti President Mahama ye to achaw o prophet Dr. Emmanuel Badu Kobi ele da ho papa ntimi nya hwe wontimi ge kan ho ya bi ni ma ye den ti esra mu se mo no papa aid na mo nya ne moa na mo hwe no ohia good treatment ohia better quality treatment na timi ama pressure no akoma mo jase mu ya we bi ntimi mo de kan ho no ni na atumi akọ. We are calling on the NDC in some of the Yamisha Mahama, Yamisha Ghana, Yamisha NDC. Yes, shalom, peace. Bye bye.
The Seer General one prophet. Oh no, and I say, or they would if we echo PM hospital one might say, or Jan or Ton cry fre, Abemum penny for any almost said, Kakra, almost called you for Emma, Korea doing the for in Ghana for Yen Yamoa, it was Sika firm and Empire Boffem. Now Sika firm and a dozen course. So to them Sika doctor for agent and yes kuma into Nunka Uhia or Sre and moi. Send na down for 4 ne. Album penny for and this for or no more airborne like almost embrana omun conumwana or more emena dominanka yada password than ultimate influence. Abra last a moon by say or do for quano. The Sika some echo from Emma saw that or tongue. Emma not be confirmed. I say I had a crest or D for what top form pa. I Abrabona Boetian or D for out of form. Emma saying, but I'm focused. I watch it all. Ana se opese obo na adent na we video no to social media then I open what do you stand to gain amount for ever backlash this year one general prophet e mo ko fie no ono se be ye video no kire nsem mo ntine ma se munya botre miti adwuma miti ofie me mo dam nya se hwehwe ani mu da bi obi asemba na woni mu a nya botre
sisi na me ba be du fie me free hospital aye papa prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi ho aba be du fie na me hu se nko my case I have never posted any video. And I'm in Koya video posting. So who be bina wunimu busa na yenchira yedwuma ye papa. cars are wache. First problem by what na Ghana has no. What na Ghana on social media MOK man of God no be anko. Yes, one Fresca for say MB one papa na mu a. What to them ka say this thing should be on social media. Nya fan kwai. Your first media I think it's private. Papa, yen twema kokoda wu. Wa be just beto adaka. Yen twema ni wa be just ka say be bonsa. Sa ko twa me twema me metia. Mo sre papa wo social media. Na ba critical na episika abo ano a. Abegina ga chem say, "E na makoye video. You shouldn't post this."
The Seer prophet ebe church nsem kakra. Ba asana wafo ni bi ntim ho say no odinfo ekura wo kan. Ese sika doctors for AJ. Wunyi bi wo the Seer general wunya bi onso ohonso ntino obesrem we no odinfo emre bi atwam no checkers obubo nipa bi dia omo cars.
So just 7 days go for chem 14 days go for chem 7 cars. Obi chem dan jacuzzi wom. He say the nyame ye me life no ho. E den na wo nipa ko bi ye ma wo a ebe ha me.
Na also for in all no watch cars basing
202.
Wo da che.
Omo enya me dia e nyame na the fans na me ma wo mo.
But here for what sorry me boa.
Man kan jom so mo ndi hia.
Enti na obi wa sorry ai bia. Fa na so to kokwa na to ton aburo a watam ka che da.
Ontimi handle.
Ontimi handle car
because kokko no to no ene car no. If your distance no.
Okay.
And to one building so ho to be able to handle car. Because car no part break it down. Maintenance no. E bia kokko sika ni ntimi nso to nto no boase.
Into wo mo de car e che wo.
Nyame kasa kire me.
Okay.
Minya ehumobro na.
Okay.
Na maye.
E kire so no chese oni ahia fon amo. Oni eskafo na board no ntuma boy eskafo ntuma no. Na sa kofuko na nya bia omo wa henefa. Ana na ebi se bia sa na odifue o abusia. Asemba ye no ase video no nko na wodi uwo mu ana wo kasa anya bia na busua ewei na sofo na onu mu nam no kode wo so wa sofo mpanifo na onu mu movement koba de bia sa na eba ye no asofo no omo nyina afa henefa na eno enene no Seer general prophet ekopie mu okay FM ona na room ko twenko na ho no e wo kire mu se abusia fo asem ne de abusia yi omani ama prophet Badu Kobi na asofo no so no sere mo kana ewo mu na asofo kwa ahyase na omo nyina pese papa ewu ba now na so pese be nhwe mu but ono no asi omu kwa omo asofo no ma Badu Kobi hu we ene sem a the Seer one general prophet ababeka
abatwetwe efa yewura prophet Emmanuel Badu Kobi hu yeni abema baako a ye fe no the nation Seer oyedifo a abrantia nyame adom afi no no so ba a wo boa pa ba omianie Seer nie Seer wa homa no so no ne yehu se ni video ba bontia no ogina ye papa Badu Kobi ho a na wo sere se NDC for embra ye kona yakotie asem no mu ye pa the nation Seer etisen minia
Penyah me hoye na patron so e
nyame adom boko
e beradia
we de yanka bi shemu efri enra na joba na ehun se ugina ya papa Badu Kobi ho ewo hospital abra wodam paso na waye video a wo kase ya papa ne yare ya ration de na beto ayare sabia enti osre Ghana for chichuni NDC for se omo prophet ba ko wo kai omo wo mpaebo mu na ade aye na woda yi eba ne sen ede na sidie na ya papa no otie ne sen na ede na kopie ho boy enkomo kakra
meda Penyah me siawati fo ene wadofo na enjoy me no kre mo te ya no kre de mu yi na no kre I think say enra manado be ye pen enwe ena me message call free eye papa Badu Kobi na anga fa ho na bra call ne bana me watch TikTok live internet nyan ta call na me yete mi wi anan kama friend but I will see a friend nyan friend but I think after the life no different numbers degree a lot of numbers degree na framing and one of the numbers I'm picking here me picking the person say yeah oh nam so when you feel but I see a man location that yeah one to them dia mean to me ba e do be the person kume and obi to di me bone and to me cast am kra me ba no okay papa Badu Kobi afenti another 11 and you marry papa na afenti e ya na tin na wo pia fen esie o man ka bia so nya papa na hwe fom ma sabi na so ni tika krakra bo ne ta so a mudda egu fom o mo wo so no o wo so na o ka tro mo say bibi to ma me ne yem fra me ko me ne ba oni nti meti magina na ti ene me yem se me paayi ene me tuka to hospital crap papa no eda in fact ni pe mo bo na asam ki ni pa sabi ni pe mo bo na me ko du ye no na papa ko koma papa ni koma doctor pe kra ma me kwan ma me nwem at that time me am tra bonten kra ma ne bo e bia 30 minutes time ni hu no say almost 11 to 12 a doctor pe mo say bo so le bo oxygen na tini so ni anu ha na nyame atom otimi tini ni hu me anu so ya mewu papa den ye na ekoso ni ya me yare ni ndi ekoso ye to me no ama ma adwene mi ntimi nyene ni ndi ye makoma ni busa no tese na bia na ya papa mo so asen se papa na dwene abro so to ye nya eye yare bi espene se ne press akosoro ya ma na adwene aye nti yare bi espene se mind stroke utaden mind stroke utaden that am kai
wow
nti no it's all about papa na dwene na wo dwene ni nti no ama on go through a lot then the mini amen kabisi from that time they cannot build that home kwa from a copy of 12,000 yen would here because papa ni investment awa ye any nyoma apotu no won nya pade ya yade de ama akokura nkura sika bi but in franka nyame ye ho ntia ye betina enti ya sabi ade ne ko no a odam paso o su o ma na diane na wafe o sori ya no be tiato say the ade na duro no inia say you for the sympathy of the nation man we are better no the say that Badu Kobi wagu ko ko da ho no ta ne hu mo kura ni mu man ka bia nche ni blogger ba ko ye friend back and ba pastor operator ne ndi ko kasa but wa prep ni no mo mfa ko no ada mo me enti no woni ndi nti ofro mo mfa it's kwa ben ye be pastor bit na kasa amedun kan ni wani because ni say Ghana ha de prophet Badu Kobi the main prophet of the party ni ba power ansana nkonfo bi ko dia bo me dia so no na papa Badu Kobi ene adinam de na afore adinam the cast prophet to be a NDC prophet. I know only two, Prophet Badu Kobi and the other one I don't want to mention the name. And here, what I am so at the end here, video. No more papa condition. Is an empty for who that video? We did a video at the call. The part of that.
Yo, na answer na obey video no. Na waposi amana ba out no. Usiki papa consent answer na we yes video no.
Okay, but that's the question. I want to go for cafe. I didn't have been a video such a prominent man. That means you and I know say, means to me in family of the phone, and got to papa with so. Now I'm providing when I'm a phone yet. Means to me in the phone got to papa so. And yes, I do have one. The name of the baby, I didn't do no. None of us will be new. I don't want to have one. And the papa Nankatanian Semuno. Now, what's a target in the back? New baby, papa, you. Let me put in the one. Because Ghana you could be you better software papa ni nyawu ya when you do what you can for every point 500 million 100,000 Everton Dakar Everton mobile we gina say and I'm saying some you papa buy here the who be apreku my god e bi to no the who are for pocket to be at wo mo it means na say emma ye yodum the papa na be na so to be to car and the blogger said in a abeye video ma beto adaka and ya brought yasi ye meye bia ramp ni fo be hu afwa no am ye tima de ne nkwa no meye enti no ma nyem na me video no papa na is aware
okay
na awareness wo mu ne say ohun say bi atwe no onye fit na o din kasa de pa me ka bu na papa ni ye video ya to abonten se president mahama wa o meboa wa di ama wa bompa ya ama be bia de na duro no because of the video no ni bi me nkwa ho odi ntini nye okay.
And
papa was aware. It wasn't unaware.
Now, me pacho, Prophet Badu Kobi na bushia forward.
Actually, and send me couple. Now you was a nuclear family and a student family. Now you the nuclear no a ma and send me to a school. Yes, papa Lutu ni babema. Make us ni babema. The name no. The Indian Zima free more papa no. Your friend Daniel, the band took the same name. And no who may send a babema. Who may send a banner, Tano Hume. enti me ne papa ne relatives no nya akɔfiri ne mu mu sɛ ne ba na wafiri mu no sɛbi ya me gye papa wrɛ ha no mu mefa enti at this point the me ne ba no gyina mu a asema tum papa me kama no
me pacho ne immediate family papa bempa me se papa bempa papa Badu Kobi ne maame ne nuanom ne wofanom ne na busuafo ankasa na me busa so mo wo he
actually no papa me pani ni pa nyame apega no waboa busua maame na ye mrekedem abusani bia ni wa data obitima respond ni nimba bia busua na ankasa wo de nim ye yere ne mba oyere no so do na ba bia na ade na wo tete nkofo ano na ya frɛ bia kokora no ono kwa bia fa na asɛm nto ntɛn na busua ni ane ni kokusi ya bia
enti busua ni bia mba hospital ho
busua ni bia to hospital eni po frɛ maame sai na course ba ye na sɛ munti ntu abere wa se da do aputu to ka metena wo ya at this time here busua ni am gina konim ɛne onia bɛ ma kokusi ya
de sia wo hospital
me no ka fa de sia me to hospital de sia
hospital ben
actually me nya me de betu ja but for security reasons you know it mean money down to about
for security reasons as in say mon pese nipa beba ho bebira na se den
yeah cause nipa frame ye pese ba ho na una dia ba ko aya afofo bia papa na boa wo mo last week omagina fun so aka papa na ho nsem papa no oguo papa no yare no omo frame don beso ko papa na se bi senti afi ungo tani pa ni wo na ki wa ba bina animu so be pani nyam senti afi ebi ewu etimoden ya wa afofo ni na mo obi enti wo because me na afofo bi papa na boa no frame me nyonko so say papa yi kira no ta afofo ye frame se opeso ko papa no na me dey minim dia me
Bible ne say touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. Sa quotation na so for monko amaje no monko kai Bible ne foforo touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. And for one san kan dia mimi nyame masra no na medifo nso enya ne bone. The question is, who is the anointed? Na Bible ne kan wasem wa kire mu say na medifo de enya ne bone. Na medifo enya ne bone. But who is the anointed person? And not as for na magini nyina amamo. The anointed people could be a chief, king, queen, president. Obi o won panini wo man bia no anointed man of God. Because it no na yesra safo na yesra omungo e be di o man so ansna di ekuro ana o man e hye obi nsa na yesra ne ngo wo anointed man of God. Badu Kobi timi gina na so da anim o man akufado fie ba bia timi kai akufado he no akufado no. Ono forgetting say Akufo-Addo was an anointed person for that cause because he was the president for Ghana and he was anointed in the sight of God. He was an anointed person, but Badu Kobi eka say ono Akufo-Addo is ono Akufo-Addo MP benya man abenya bantantino otimi ka say Akufo-Addo said ono no pe forgetting say some people are God anointed men of God. And yes said din that so man of God as so yourself fool there be the title man of God also just there are some men of God. Prophets are there, pastors are there. We have men of God. It means as of now more no mo fan we into two mo hofo. Na mo hwe mo kasa ye especially some mo kasa ahemfo anim, some mo kasa man penifo anim a mo nkɔhye mo ma party bi hye mo chima mo nkeka nkwase asɛm. Sɛ de ma adwen ne adwuma mo ye nyame asɔfo. Mo gye nyame gyina be mo fa nyansa nya adwuma ne nyankwase asɛm no. Ghana ha jimi semo ya do so adifo no so de keka nkwase asem too much omo yam the quotation be hunahuna say so wo be ka bi tiro adifo no dia no be ka say Bible say France akere masra mo bodam kwase afo wo ni Bible mu say muni Bible mu say anko who is the anointed man of God? You are just a prophet. Who is the anointed man of God? Mo fa ntumo ho fo kire wadwe ma me e wo comment section I Penyah Broad Media agra.